My name is Adam Spoors and I'm the Managing Director of New World Recruitment based just outside of Cambridge. So at New World Recruitment, we predominantly focus on permanent recruitment. Before switching to Vincere, we were using Bullhorn, who we'd been with for the best part of 3 years. I knew I had to sort of evaluate the business, see what was working and what wasn't. And I just felt that Bullhorn wasn't fully facilitating what we wanted it to do. We could have, used their marketplace and added in a number of their partners. It's just not what we wanted to do when our new product, better products were out there. So we did a bit of a scan on the market, looked at sort of referrals and other partners that we work with across the recruitment industry, had a look at a few, but Vincere was the standout. It had everything that I was looking for around that data, the support, the intelligence of a platform to be able to tag candidates and clients more accurately to help us in the short, medium and long term. Over the next sort of 2 to 3 years, we do plan to grow relatively quickly. And we want to make sure that we can have that platform to excel and use that to scale up within the business. I think my favorite feature of Vincere is the ability to completely customize what we need from it. So not just the interface and the workflow, but the tags and the skill sets that you can assign to clients and candidates. When you're speaking to a candidate one day, they're right, there's no opportunity on the market for them, but whether it's 3 months, 6 months, 9 months down the line and you've tagged them correctly, you get that vacancy and they're instantly popping up for you. And that's made our life easier. It's made us more effective for our clients, and it's been able to help us build relationships with those really top level candidates and be able to place them in the market. The analytics and that intelligence tool within Vincere as well has been great for me. It's allowed me to compare month by month what the input is in relation to the output. I think if you're in recruitment and you don't know who or what Vincere is, then you must have been hiding under a rock. If you're looking to change your CRM, you want to have somebody that you can partner with, and I stress this enough, this support is fantastic. No matter where they are in the world, they're there to help. I can certainly see New World Recruitment sticking with Vincere for a number of years to come.